Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Welcome to today's video. So today we are going to be learning about a Word documentation tool called Google Docs. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment and share our videos, please. So now let us start. The last time we learned how to use a spreadsheet. We learned how to use Google Sheets as a spreadsheet to enter data. Now we're going to learn how to document words. We are using what is called Google Docs. We're going to learn about Google Docs. Now, Google Docs is a word documentation tool. You can use it to document words and all of that. Now, its equivalent is Microsoft Word. Now, the difference is that Microsoft Word is produced by Microsoft, the company Microsoft, while Google Docs is produced by Google. So now, how do you access Google Docs? You access it in two ways, either via the web version or you download the app, the application from Play Store. Now, I've already downloaded the app, so I'm going to show you what the app looks like, the icon, so that when you just go to Play Store, you search for Google Docs. Okay, so DOCX Google Docs, DOCS. So now let me show you guys what it looks like. Let me show you what it looks like. Sorry about that. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is it. This one up here, Docs, Google Docs. That's the icon. You can see what it looks like. Okay. So that is it. So now I am going to open it. Click on it and open it so that you can see what it looks like. Now I'm going to click on the plus sign. If you followed us through the last video, you see it. So this is where I will click if I want to create a new document. I'll just click there. So I'll click on this. Either I choose a template, I explained what a template is the last time, or I create a new document. Now let's go for a new document. Now I want you guys to understand that there are so many icons here that represent a lot of things. Now assuming let me document a word. Let me write something. So I'm going to write my name. My name is Marilinda. My name is Marilinda Barago. So this is my name. I've written my name. My name is Marilinda. So now I want it to be, I want the font to be bold. Now what do? All I need to do is to highlight. This is, once I click here, you see it's steady click. Then push down this blue sort of circle icon below it. Push it to anywhere you want, and once it turns blue, you've highlighted it. Now the essence of highlighting is that so that it can receive a command whenever you give it a command. Okay, now I've highlighted this. Now remember I told you I want the fonts to be bold, so you know where the bold, this is where you see the bold icon here. So I'll just click on it and it is bold. Okay, I've clicked on it and it is bold. Now, every other action I give to it, it will take because I've already highlighted it. Now, let us explore other icons here. So, as you can see below, let's start from the bottom. We've talked about bold. We've talked about the bold, the B icon, which is bold, how to bold a font. Now, let us look at italics. The I beside it, let's say this one, this I beside it, this I icon is italics. If I click on it, the words I've typed, they change to italics. Okay, they change. You see the way it changed. Okay, now the next one is you underline. In case I want to underline it, I will just quickly click on the U icon and it underlines. You can see the U icon, you see it underlines. Then let's look at the A. The A means the A means the font color. I want to change the font color, so I'll just click on this, select the color I want. But before then, remember we need to highlight. So I have to highlight first before I can. You see it has taken the command. It is now red. So I've successfully changed the font color. Now I want to align it to the center. So I'll just highlight it first. Then look at this icon, this one here, the one beside A. the it's if I want it to be aligned in the center, in the middle, it will be there. I want it to the right, to the left, whichever way you want to align it. Click on it and it will align it for you. Now, let us explore the icons up. Now, for the icons up, this is like it's the icon of do, undo and redo. Let's say you did something and you don't want it, you just click on it and it will undo it. You see it, then you want to bring it back, click on the other arrow and it will redo it. Okay, so let's look at the next icon. Remember, we are talking about the icons up. This particular icon, it has a lot of options inside, so I'm going to click it. Here I can change the font. That's the type of font that I want. The handwriting, there are different types of font. It's advisable that, like, if you're typing something that is official, it's advisable most times to use Arial or Times New Roman font. So let us select, look at the font here. This is the font I'm talking about. Here you select font, the type of font. You see it's on default Arial. You can leave it that way. So if I change it here, if I change the font here, it automatically change the way it is. Let's say impact, you can see. So I've successfully changed the font. So now let us look at the size. Now is the size, see the size beside it. Size means how big it is, the size of, let's say, the writing. So now it's advisable to leave it at 11. If you are typing a document, you see it's increasing. So it automatically increase and all of that. So it automatically increases and all of that. So there are a lot of ways you can use this document. You can even add pictures to it. Okay, let's say we want to add something else, attach something, insert something to it. Look at this plus sign, click on it. You can either insert a link, comment, image, table. You can also insert a table and or whatnot. So let's say, for example, we want to insert image. Let's search from the web. You can either take the image from your phone, from your images, from the web or whatsoever. Let's just quickly take from my phone. Let me see if I have any good pictures we can insert on my phone. Okay, let's insert image from photos. Let's just quickly select any. Okay, let me select this. Okay, so this is the Google Docs. I think I sort of screenshotted this. So this is the Google Docs. So we've selected this image. You can see it here. It has entered on this uh on this page. So you can see the image is here. Okay, so this is how you can select a lot of things. You can add a lot of things that you want, whatsoever you feel like adding. That is how you add it. Okay, so you add it to this place in order to, let's say there's, you want to add a receipt of something, or you wanted to, like, write a letter and add an image to it, or just whatso not you want to type. This is the way you type things. You can even use this to create your CV, use it to create whatever you want to create, CV, letter, use it to type, especially students. Now, this is another way. If you're a student, this is going to help you. Now, the cost of typing and photocopying has gone up. So this is a way to save yourself the stress. You can use this to even do your project. If you find that you're a student that you need to type your project, this makes it easier. You can even use it for your writing something instead of writing down and later typing. You just type it directly. You can use this and do your project yourself, and it helps you. Okay, it does a lot of things for you. Like, you can type things here, go to business center and only print. If you don't have a printer at home, okay, it makes it easier for you. Other than going to business center, giving them to type and they print, all the costs will be incurred. But when you do maybe some part here and just go there, they just print it. It becomes easier for you. And if you have even people that if you have a printer, it makes it more easier for you. So a lot of things you can do here, do things that you can also share and all of that. So guys, we will learn how to share. Now that we've done all of this, we are going to learn how to share with this and all of that. We are going to learn how you can share via email, via link, and all of that later on. So guys, I hope you got something from today's video. Please practice this. Now the assignment for today is that we learned about operating system yesterday, so I want us to read more about operating system. I want you to read more about software applications. I want you to read about software applications, read more about operating system. Type it here. Get whatever you get, the things you understand, type them here and send. Okay, you're going to type them here. That's your assignment for today. So you're going to type them here, and tomorrow we are going to um, learn how to send and do other things. We are not done with word documentation. So this is what you will do. I want you to do this assignment of yesterday. Type it. You don't need to like wait till we learn how you can send things, how you can send it out. Just about operating system and software applications, read about them. Type, just a page is okay. Just type what you understand. A page is okay to help you get more understanding. So thank you guys for being with us today. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment on our video, please. Thank you.